steps, please.
Okay.
So go ahead and start by writing the system down and then get this in your notes.
Okay.
Let me know when you got this down and I'll scroll down further. So you're going to do a problem like this coming up.
That's 3. The answer is 3.
I know the answer is there's three, Sarge. I'm asking if you've
I'm gonna
written
be
this
writing
down.
this. I write this.
Okay.
Okay. Got it. I got him.
All right. So let's look at another problem together here. Let me see here. Go back to this one. So it's essentially the same setup here. Okay. I'm giving you a system of equations. So notice the second equation is already solved for y. You see that, Sourish? So we're going to take that and we're going to put it in for y. So 3x plus, so notice I'm rewriting the first equation, but instead of y, I'm putting this in. So it's minus 2x plus 6 equals 8. Are you okay?
Yeah, fine. It's just I'm just almost getting better. Okay.
Okay. So what can we do here on the equation? What do we do first on the left side of the equation?
What do we do at the left side of the equation? Okay.
Yes.
First of all, you need to be able to subtract.
You have to take 3x and add it to minus 2x. What does that become?
-1.
Try again.
It's 1.
1x.
Yeah. 1x.
1x. Good. Okay. Plus 6 equals 8. So what do you do here to solve for x?
Two, x equals two.
Excellent. So I want you to get this down in your notes.
Okay. Okay.
Got it down?
Uh-huh. Yep, I got it down.
Okay, so let's load another problem here. And it's gonna be very similar. We're gonna do the exact same thing that we've been doing, which is substituting in for one of the variables. So this is called the substitution method. All right, so notice in the first equation, it's already solved for y. Do you see that?
Okay.
See how it says y equals?
Wait. Y equals 5x minus 2.
Right,
Yes.
and so that's gonna go in the other equation for y.
Okay.
So it's minus 7x plus 5x minus 2 equals minus 6. You see that?
Yeah.
All right, so I want you to try solving this. We've done a couple together now. You're first going to combine like terms, then you're going to move the -2 over and then divide. So give that a try. Let me know if you have
Okay. Well,
Yep, Sourish, I'm asking you to solve this. Do you have any questions about how to do that?
no, it was the internet. They accidentally disconnected because of internet.
Okay.
Hello?
Yep, I'm here. Do you have this written down in your notes?
Yeah, I'm still continuing to enter.
Okay, keep
I'm still
working on it.
continuing. Right.
Oh.
It's 2.
X equals 2.
Yes.
All right, let's take a look here. So it's minus 2x minus 2 equals minus 6. Add 2 to both sides. Minus 2x equals minus 4. Divide by -2. X equals 2. Good, really good. Okay, now there's another part to this. I'm going to grab the system here. There's another part to this where you not only solve for X, you have to also solve for Y. So the first thing you do is you typically solve for X, which is what we just did. Yeah, that's done. But then you also solve for Y. Which equation do you think we should use to solve for Y?
Should we use the solve for Y? We should use the
Yeah.
X.
We're going to use the X value in the first equation. So I want you to put X into that first equation. You don't need the second one. So Y equals 5 times 2 minus 2. So can you simplify that for us, please?
Yeah.
Do you understand what I'm asking you to do?
Yes, I'm knowing what I'm doing. It's 8.
It is 8. Very good. So what that means is that X is 2 and Y is equal to 8. And that's how you present your final answer. They have to both be there. It's not good enough to just it's not good enough to just have one. You have to have both there. So okay, let's look at another problem here. Let's look at this one. So we've got minus 2x plus y equals -1, y equals 3x minus 5. Do you see how the second equation is solved for y?
Okay,
So the second equation is solved for y already. So what are we going to do with the 3x minus 5? What's the next thing?
react -5. That, like, what you do is that it's just easy. It's just -5. It's -2.
That's not what I'm asking. What did we do in every other problem, Sarge? What did we do with what did we do with the second equation or the first
We
equation?
add.
Nope. So let's go back and look. Let's go all the way back to the beginning of the lesson today. What am I showing here? What is this little line leading to an error? What does that mean? What am I asking you to do, Sarish?
Uh, I think I'm supposed to like, I know what I'm supposed to do, but I'm just doing the equations right here. I'm doing the equations. Let me just solve it.
So you're taking the value of y and you're putting it back into the other equation. You see how I'm drawing an arrow pointing to the y, you're replacing y with minus 5x plus 6. Do you see that?
Mhm.
Let's look at the next one. What did we do here?
I know what we're supposed to do. That one right there, that's gonna be a 2. That's a 2, and that equals 2.
That's
the
not what
answer.
I'm, sorry, that's not the. Trying to get you to tell me that we're gonna substitute this other thing in for y. Just like in the previous problem, we substitute minus 5x plus 6 in for y. In this equation, we substitute minus 2x plus 6 in for y. What did we do in this one? Tell me what we did here.
I don't know.
Well, what did we do in the first one?
We just have to solve, just use the solve, we solve for y. We have to solve for y.
It's already solved for y. So you take this and you substitute it into the other equation.
Okay, and that equals 3. I mean 2.
So what did you do in the, what did we do in this one? Tell me,
We have
me.
to substitute that to y, and then that equals, and then that
Right.
equals,
And what did we do in this one?
and I substitute 2 up there.
So what are we gonna do in this equation? This one that we're trying to
Substitute
solve.
5 to y.
You're gonna put 3x minus 5 in for y.
Okay,
So please do that. Write that out on your piece of paper. And tell me what you have written when you're done.
It's -6.
Okay, so what I was asking for is for you to write out -2x plus 3x minus 5 equals -1. Okay,
Mhm.
and did you write this out?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so what is -2x plus 3x, Irish?
-2x plus 3x. 1.
1x minus 5 equals -1. Okay, so how do you undo subtraction by 5?
Undo subtracting by 5. Add.
Add 5 to both sides.
Mhm.
So what does x
Yep.
equal?
1x, and that equals, 4.
Equals 4. Good. Now, which equation are we going to use to solve for y? We're going to use the first equation or the second equation?
Second equation.
Second equation, because it's already solved for y. So it's 3 times 4 minus 5. Can you
Seven.
That's right, y is 7. Very good. So x is 4 and y is 7, like that.
Uh-huh.
All right. Very good. Let's look at another one here. Have we done all 4 of these? We have. Okay. All right, let me give you a new one here to try.
Okay.
Y plus 4x equals 3. Y equals 6x minus 7, right? So you're going to take this 6x minus 7 and substitute it in for y. All right, so go ahead and do that and solve for x.
Okay. Okay. It's -8.
X is -8.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look here. Did you write 6x minus 7 plus 4x equals 3?
Yeah.
You did, okay. So what is 6x plus 4x?
10.
10x minus 7. What do you do to solve this equation?
Um. Okay. Equals 1.
Yeah, x equals 1. You said -8 though, so how did you come up with -8?
Well, I didn't, I was thinking that I should add 7 plus 4. Like that.
So you divide by 10 and x equals 1. Now, which equation are we going to use to solve for y? The first one or the second one? Which equation, Sourish?
Um. Okay, yeah. So yeah, that's why. Okay, Matthew? Matthew,
Yeah, Sourish, I'm asking you which equation to use.
which equation?
Yeah,
The equation. The equation. 6x minus 7.
okay, so let's put that in. 6 times 1 minus 7. What does that become?
X equals 1.
Nope.
Y equals 1.
6 minus 7. What does that become?
That's -1.
There you go. So X is 1 and Y is -1. All right, we're gonna
Yeah.
go ahead and stop here for today.